Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a very exciting meal prep video. And if you guys follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you guys know that I got sent a Cosori pressure cooker, which I will make sure to link down in the description below. This video is not sponsored. I just wanted to thank them so much for sending me this product to try. This is the first time anybody's ever sent me anything, so I'm super excited about it. But I wanted to use it today to meal prep my lunches for the week. So I've never used it before, but I wanted to try it out with you guys. And here is my sweet boy. He looks so mad right now. If you're wondering, he got fixed on Monday. Today is Sunday, so it's been almost a week, and he has this going on until Thursday. But he just looks so cute. Okay, so here is the pressure cooker. I have not unboxed it yet, but I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So this is a pretty big box. So this is their 6-quart pressure cooker. This is pretty much just like an Instant Pot. It's the same exact thing, but it's just a different brand. So let's open it up. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You guys, this feels like super nice quality. Like, it's super heavy, and it has all of these buttons here. I've never used a pressure cooker before, so this is all new to me. And then this is what the top looks like. And then it also, so there's the cord, it comes with this little lid, and then it comes with all of the like paperwork. Alright, so it came with a bunch of stuff inside, so I want to show you guys. It has this little, just like the bowl inside, and it has like measurements on the side you can see. And then over here it came with this little thing, which I'm not sure what it is, but I'm gonna read the directions so I do it correctly. And then this little rubber, like, I'm guessing it goes around the inside of the lid or something. And then also came with these little spoons, and then this little thing, which I recognize this from my rice cooker. It kind of like catches the steam water that spills out, and then a little like cup you can measure stuff in. So really cool. It comes with a lot of nice stuff. Alright, so before I get started on cooking my meal, by the way, I'm going to cook a Italian chicken and potato meal, kind of, that I've just kind of like made that up, but I know that there has to be like a recipe for it somewhere, so I'm gonna look that up and put this together, and then I will be back. Alright friends, so I'm back. So I kind of found a few different recipes, and I'm just going to kind of use the information from to guess how to make this meal. So what I'm gonna make is chicken and potatoes. So I have chicken tenderloins, and I'm trying to thaw them out, so they're gonna still be a little bit frozen. And I have some red potatoes left over from a grill out, so I thought I would just put them together, put some seasoning on it. And I'm pretty sure I have to use chicken broth, which I coincidentally have in the fridge that I need to use. And then I'm just gonna kind of wing it. If you guys have a pressure cooker, or if you have this particular one, please let me know. They actually gave me a really cool cookbook in the box, and it has recipes, which I wish I would have known before I kind of was thinking about this, because I went to the store already. But next time I make a recipe, I'm probably gonna use it from this book, because these are obviously tailored to this particular pressure cooker. So next time I will use this for sure, but today we're gonna kind of wing it, and hopefully it turns out well. All right, so here are my red potatoes. I'm just gonna put those in the Instant Pot and then pour some chicken broth over them. Ah, that was a fail. This just happens to be the chicken broth that I have, so I'm gonna put 2 cups of that in there. So I'm just using some chicken tenderloins that I have already from my freezer, but I did thaw them out a little bit. They're kind of thawed. But I'm just gonna sit them right on top of the stuff that's already in there. I've got about 4 decent sized ones. This hopefully will make like 4, I'm maybe hoping 5, but I'm okay if it only makes 4 meals for me this week. All right, so the seasonings I'm going to use are this organic Italian seasoning, and then just sea salt and pepper. decent amount on here because there is a lot of things that need to be seasoned in there. But I'm not gonna put too much salt. I'm just gonna put some Italian seasoning in there. I'm just gonna take my tongs and just mix it all together. So here's my lid. So I'm sitting it on there and then going to lock it. This is kind of hard to do with one hand. There we go. Okay, so I locked it. And then the recipe said to go to manual and take it down. I don't know how to do this. Cook time. And it said to do it for 10 minutes. And then I don't know, I just pressed start. So hopefully this is it. It's finally done getting itself up to temperature and pressure. So now it has 10 minutes left, and I checked the manual, and 10 minutes is supposed to be good for potatoes and chickens for the amount that I put in there. So we'll see how it goes. Hey guys, so I just wanted to add something in really quick. This is like me after the video. I'm just gonna insert this somewhere in the video. I am doing a Q&A for my next video, so on my Twitter. So I'm gonna put my username on the screen right here. I always link it down below. It's Foxx the Baby on Twitter. And if you wanna DM me or just send tweets directly to me, you can ask me questions for my next Q&A. I've already got a few, so if you wanna ask me any questions, that's gonna be my next video. So if you wanna ask, you better hurry up and do it before I film it. So that's it, back to the video. This is the moment of truth because we just finished cooking it and I released the pressure and everything. It's turned off. It's ready for me to open and see, so I'm really hoping that it cooked all the way, but we'll see if I had a success or fail. All right, so let's see. Oh, that actually doesn't look too bad. I need to check and see if the chicken's all the way done, but that looks pretty good. You guys, I'm like super impressed. Like, I've never used a pressure cooker before, so this is like amazing me right now that I can cook something like this so quickly. If you guys have seen my other meal prep videos where I make things in the oven and stuff, I have to use like 3 different things to cook the meal, like the oven, the microwave, the stove, and it takes me like over an hour to make a meal. This took me, I mean, 5 minutes to put it in there, and then it took 10 minutes to cook. So, I mean, this is amazing. The potatoes are soft, and the chicken is all the way cooked through. So, yeah, I would say that was a success. So, if you guys want to see me do some different recipes with this, then let me know. Again, thank you, Cosori, for sending me this pressure cooker. I am so excited to keep using it. I'm actually going to cook Devin's meal right after this, which is going to be the same exact thing, except I'm going to put broccoli with his, and I think I'm going to put some different seasonings on his. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos, and make sure you turn on my notifications to know every time I post a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!